Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to join Eventbrite online event. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Joining an online event on Eventbrite is super easy. What you need to do is first find your confirmation email. After registering, you'll receive an email from Eventbrite subjecting your ticket for event name. Then all you gotta do is tap on the view event or join now button in that email. Then once that's done, what you need to do is open up your browser or you'll be redirected to the eventbrite.com. Then all you gotta do is sign in to your account. Once signed in, what you need to do is tap on your profile icon on the top right corner of the screen. Then you'll be seeing an option that says tickets. Simply tap on that, and now once you're inside your tickets, find your event and tap on go to online event page or join now. Then once that's done, on the event page you will see a join link. Then all you gotta do is follow the instructions from the organizer and then start time countdown will be available to you once you are connected. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.